Today, let's learn Chen Meng's footwork with Coach Ma Lin. This is the footwork pattern to cover from the pivot position to the wide forehand position. This pattern is mostly used by female players. Female players tend to stay closer to the table to counter-attack. They will use the forehand topspin to attack the long ball and use the backhand drive to control the placement of the ball. So the pattern is 1 backhand and 2 forehand. The first is backhand, the second is forehand pivot, and the third is the forehand wide corner. Male player will play a little further from the table, so male player can use the forehand to generate much more power and speed. So the footwork for male players is different. They use a larger step to move around, and male players will use the forehand attack everywhere.
Ailier l'endroit. Les uns et les autres disposent de 4 tables d'échauffement dans la deuxième salle de...
To recover from the forehand to your ready position, you should use 2 small steps. Using several small steps is easier, and you can play the backhand in front of you. But to move from the ready position to the wide forehand side, you need to use a big jump with both feet, because the ball is far from you, so you need to jump to catch the ball, and you can also rotate your body to make a powerful weight transfer.